Okay Google, turn on my LED.
Yes, my liege. Turning on my LED.
Okay Google, turn off my LED.
Sure, my liege. Turning off the LED.
Hello guys, today we are going to show you on how to use IFTTT with TruIO platform. So go to ifttt.com and sign in. So we're going to use Google Assistant as well as Webhooks. Right, so firstly let us create our service. So click if and then search for assistance, Google Assistant, and then we're going to select say simple phrase. So let's say turn on my light. Another way, we can have the option of turn on my LED. Right. So the response of the Google Assistant is yes, my liege. Turn on my light. Right. So create the trigger, and then we're gonna go to Webhooks. So in Webhooks, we're gonna make a web request, which is the post method. So for the URL, you can go to truio.live/api-document and go to REST post right there. So copy up this URL, put it here, change to post method, and the content we're gonna select JSON. So for the body, I've already prepared this JSON payload. So we're gonna turn on the LED with the value of 1, and this is my device key. So we're gonna copy out this and put it here. So the JSON payload, you can also find it here. This is an example of the JSON payload. So you can copy it out and make it the same like this. So create the action. Alright, it's done. So let's us create another service to turn off the light. So it's the same thing. Google Assistant, say simple phrase, turn off my light. Gotta have an option, turn off my LED. We're gonna say sure each turn off the light. Right, so let's trigger. Then we're gonna create webhook service. Alright, gonna use the same URL here, copy it here, post method, select JSON, and then for the body we're going to change the values to 0 since we are turning off the light. Okay, done. Right, done. So let us see the two applets that we have. So now we have one to turn off the light, another one is to turn on the light. So let's try it out. Let's go back to the TruIO platform, and this is the device that I have created that I want to control the LED. So it's basically a ESP8266 device. So let's go to the text and then create the tag named LED. So this is the tag that we're gonna control later on. So in this example, I'm using the ESP8266. So you can find the source code at github.com/truio/live/truio-esp8266. Alright, so first you're gonna have to download it as a zip. So after you have downloaded it, you're gonna open up this folder and then open up this, and then you're gonna open up this .edo file. Alright, after your Arduino demo could have opened up, we're gonna put the Wi-Fi SSID as well as the Wi-Fi password and put the device key that we have created in the TruIO platform. Then go to line number 98 and let's see these conditions where it's gonna check for the LED tag, and then if it's LED tag, it's gonna trigger the LED. So if you name your tag other than the LED, so you can change it here, and at the same time you can add more tag, and you can do anything, trigger different IOs and so forth. So it's up to your project on how you're gonna do it. So we have provided this template, and hopefully it's gonna make your project much more easier. Alright, so let's try to flash this into the ESP8266. So I'm using the Espresso Lite version 2.0. Let's see, it's compiling the sketch. Alright, it's done. So connected, so now it's already subscribed to the topic with the device key that we have inserted. So it looks fine, so it should turn on the LED when we use the IFTTT.
Okay Google, turn off my LED.
Sure, my liege. Turning off the LED.
Okay Google, turn on my LED.
Yes, my liege. Turning on my LED.